Hey YouTube, what's up? It's Vanilla. I'm Coke again. Got a bit of a rainstorm going on right now. I've been meaning to try this beef stick out on YouTube, review it. I got it at the liquor store. It's about, I think, 6 miles from here. I've been meaning to try it out and maybe record my reaction. Just a little update first on the tape player. I'm gonna wait until everything's completely dried off, but I did clean this out. You can see it from here. It's still not perfect, but it is a lot better. So I'll probably try it tomorrow. I want to make sure everything's dry. Anyway, back to the beef stick. Let's try it out. Actually, don't think I've had much lunch today. Alright, so alright, it's alright. I forget how much I paid for it. If it was $3, I don't think it'd be worth it. And if it's $2, may I get it again. I don't think it was $1 more than that. So what is this called? It's called Sweet Smoking Venison. Let me see who texted me too. I don't know about you all, but I'm getting these spam texts. I mean, and these people gotta knock it off, because I'm getting really tired of it. I know there's COVID going on, but please don't do any prank texts at all. I'm getting really tired of it, but anyway, in the meantime, comment, subscribe, do all those things you do with the internet, and stay safe.